Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. PM constitutes high-powered task force on examination reforms under the leadership of Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani to recommend technology-driven and structural reforms for a more transparent, secure and reliable examination system. Panel to recommend reforms for the National Testing Agency and strengthen measures against paper leaks. CBSE extends deadline till 30th September for submission of all categories of affiliation applications under the SARAS 7.0 portal for the 2027-28 session. Grants additional time to complete pending compliance, inspection-related processes and other time-bound activities affected during the portal's non-functional period. Centre introduces Anti-Paper Leak Amendment Bill 2026 in Lok Sabha. Proposes 5 to 10 years jail, fines up to 10 crore rupees, stricter action against service providers, and faster investigation and trial of exam malpractice cases. PM praises Ernakulam's government-aided St. Mary's Upper Primary School's innovative Akshara Kanduka Sanskrit learning initiative in Mann Ki Baat, where Sanskrit teacher Abhilash M. Pratap uses football-themed activities to make Sanskrit more engaging and interactive for students in South Chittoor. Thousands of Himachal Pradesh primary teachers launch indefinite relay hunger strike in Shimla against the school complex system after a 15-day statewide foot march. CM assures amendments, possible withdrawal of the policy and withdrawal of FIRs, but teachers continue their protest until the assurances are implemented. Kerala launches Digital Square initiative under the state's 100-day education action plan to integrate technology into primary classrooms. Program aims to enhance digital literacy, creativity, self-learning and activity-based learning among young students through interactive digital learning spaces. Uttar Pradesh to develop 480-seat Sarvodaya Residential Girls' School near Noida International Airport as a center of excellence for aviation. School to open in the 2027-28 academic session with academic mentorship from the Doon School, preparing students for careers in the aviation sector. CIET NCERT begins 5-day webinar series on techno-pedagogy content integration. From today, 27th July, Day 1 focuses on leveraging open educational resources in teaching, with live sessions on NCERT official YouTube channel and PM eVidya platforms. ReNEET 2026 results revive dummy schooling debate. CBSE reiterates 75% attendance rule amid continued concerns over students prioritizing coaching over regular schooling. CBSE to conduct Class 12 supplementary exam from tomorrow, 28th July. Around 1.63 lakh compartment candidates to get an opportunity to clear their board examination. Refer to the official CBSE website for the detailed schedule and guidelines. Uttar Pradesh CM urges teachers to combat misinformation by guiding students towards credible sources and promoting critical thinking. Responsible use of social media and AI makes the appeal while launching the Mukhyamantri Shikshak Cashless Chikitsa Yojana for higher education teachers at an event in Agra. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.